G'day! If you're like me and you need to test out some older consoles, all the while not actually spending the time to test out said older consoles, this is one little solution I've got for you. Plenty of these old sports games have the ability to just play itself, which is basically the same as what you would be doing, except you don't actually have to be there. So right now I've replaced the thermal paste on this PS3 Slim. I've put in FIFA 2012. And right now, if I kind of skip through here, I will have to do a little bit of jumping because it has the initial setup screen. If I just mash a whole bunch of buttons, excuse me, I need to use the other hand. There we go. If I mash a whole bunch of buttons and essentially go to Expedition Match and choose it to play against itself, you set it to maximum time possible, maximum difficulty, turn up the weather, make it all kinds of silly, and then just leave it. I've been able to test one of these out. The previous one, I think I was able to do 30 minutes at a time. And I just left it for an hour, reran the game after that, and ran it again. So if I get Expedition Match, set myself in the middle, so I'm a spectator. You're not selecting a side, that's perfectly fine with me. Personally, I'd much rather do NBA 2K, but I don't have that game, so I can't do that test. I think this is a loading screen here now that I've selected it. Mashing buttons and nothing's happened. Come on. Come on. There we go. So yeah, let's load the game by playing a game. Game within the game. And sadly, it didn't give me any options. But anyway, you understand the idea that I'm going for right here. So I'm going to tweak what I can and get back to it. But the short of it is, if you have any of the older sports games that automatically give you the ability to play against themselves, definitely load them up. Easiest way to bench test multiple PlayStations or Xboxes or whatever console you want without actually sitting there and playing it. Granted, it mightn't stress it as much as some of the high-end games, so if I put in The Last of Us, they may demand more than what this is currently demanding here, but do you have the time? So, time versus efficiency. Anyway, hope that helps you, and I'll see you later. Bye.